2023 is already the deadliest year for drug overdose deaths, most of them caused by fentanyl. And we still have more than 2 weeks left to go in the year. KTVU crime reporter Henry Lee dug into the numbers.
We have seen record number of deaths due to overdose in San Francisco.
Through the end of November, 752 people have died this year as a result of accidental overdoses in San Francisco. That's already more than the deadliest year on record, 2020, when there were 726 deaths.
The majority of these preventable deaths continue to be driven by fentanyl.
At a news conference, Dr. Hillary Cunnins of San Francisco's Department of Public Health says officials are working to improve access to drug use treatment.
Removing barriers to medications for addiction treatment, which are the most effective way to prevent death and overdose in people who have an opioid use disorder.
Cunnins says the city is paying particular attention to those who are at high risk for ODs,
including shelters, permanent supportive housing, and people experiencing homelessness.
According to city data, 82% of overdose deaths so far this year were male victims. Most lived in homes. The most deaths so far this year were in August, when there were 87. These stats come as SFPD, CHP officers, and federal prosecutors have been combating drug dealing in the Tenderloin. Also Thursday, officials announced they will begin testing wastewater for certain drugs, including fentanyl, the Narcan used to treat opioid ODs, meth, cocaine, and xylazine, also known as tranq, with the help of the federal government. The city has previously tested wastewater for COVID, flu, and RSV under a state program.
We will test wastewater for high-risk substances to get a clearer picture of what substances are being used in San Francisco.
We don't anticipate any privacy issues. These data are anonymous and give us a snapshot of risky substance use at a city level.
Dr. Jeffrey Hom made clear this testing won't identify individual households or even neighborhoods.
In an era when fentanyl is claiming lives at an unprecedented rate, we need all the information available to us to give us a more complete picture and guide our response.
Those wastewater tests will help public health better direct resources to those who need them, especially in this record-setting year. In San Francisco, Henry Lee, KTVU, Fox 2 News.